You know, I was just asked the question. I was struck by a car. I was walking across the street, minding my own business, and I took a look to the left, and I saw the car heading towards me, and the driver of the car was texting. And I just didn't have enough time to get out of the way, and I was struck by the car. I was walking within the pedestrian crosswalk. This is what he told me. I was walking within the pedestrian crosswalk. I had a green light so that I can walk across, and I just looked peripherally. I saw that he was heading towards me. He's on the phone, texting. I assume he was texting, he said, and he struck me. I just couldn't get out of the way fast enough. And this guy wanted to know, do I have a claim? And the answer is, of course you have a claim. It's interesting because I just had a deposition a couple of weeks ago. That's where I questioned a defendant motor vehicle operator. And I always ask when I'm questioning witnesses, either on a stand or at a deposition, whether or not they had a phone in the vehicle and whether or not they were using the phone at the time. And this last week, when I questioned the witness about this, it turned out he was using the phone. And it turned out to be very important to proving, liability, proving that he was at fault. He wasn't paying attention because at the time of the accident, he was texting. So the answer is yes. The answer is yes. If you're hit by a car and it turned out that driver, that operator, was texting at the time of the accident or just before the accident, sounds to me like he wasn't paying attention, and it certainly helps your case. So I would suggest you give us a call. We'd be happy to move forward, depending on the circumstances, and prosecute a claim against the operator that struck you.